Rolling clouds, unveiling the beauty of language. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the picturesque phrase, rolling clouds. Understanding such phrases not only enriches your vocabulary but also enhances your appreciation of the language. So, let's dive into the world of descriptive language and imagery. Rolling clouds is a phrase that vividly describes a weather phenomenon. It paints a picture of clouds moving smoothly across the sky, much like waves rolling in the sea. This section of the video will show real-time footage or animations of clouds moving in the sky, helping you visualize and connect with the phrase. Imagery is a powerful tool in language. It helps to create vivid pictures in the mind of the listener or reader. In this section, we will explore other similar phrases that use nature to describe motions or feelings, like whispering wind or roaring thunder. This helps in understanding how imagery enhances communication. Here, we'll delve into how to use rolling clouds in everyday conversation or writing. We'll look at example sentences and situations where this phrase might be used, such as in describing weather in a story or expressing emotions in poetry. Languages are rich and diverse. In this section, we'll explore variations of the phrase, rolling clouds, in different dialects or languages, showcasing the beauty and diversity of expression across cultures. And that's a wrap on rolling clouds. We hope this video has not only taught you a new phrase but also shown you the beauty of descriptive language. Remember, language is an art, and phrases like these are its colors. Keep learning, keep exploring, and see you in the next video.